excited to talk about something that's a key aspect of living in a house you call home, yet is often overlooked: homeowners and renters insurance. Whether you've owned a home for years or are renting while you wait to find that perfect house, understanding the importance of having the right coverage to protect your belongings is essential for protecting one of the largest investments of your life, your home. By visiting FreeAdvice.com, you can check out providers who offer free quotes for homeowners and renters insurance in your area, as well as the ability to get in contact with local attorneys if you are in need of some legal advice. Okay, first, what is homeowners insurance and what is renters insurance? Homeowners insurance is a type of coverage designed to protect your home and personal belongings from a range of potential risks, such as fire, theft, or weather-related damage. It can also offer liability protection if someone gets injured on your property. While many people understand that insurance is important, many don't fully grasp the depth of its significance. What is renters insurance? Renters insurance is a special insurance that protects the renter financially if losses occur to their contents. The renter's insurance policies do not include protection for the building structure. It is the landlord's duty to obtain insurance for the structure and function of the dwelling. Now that we've defined what homeowners and renters insurance is, let's take a look at how insurance companies will determine your rates. The first two go together: your roof age and the age of the building. Old homes cost more to repair, and older roofs can't stand high winds or hail damage. Next is bringing the building up to code. Many insurance companies do not consider bringing a building up to code a covered expense following a claim. Special features is next. If your home has a swimming pool, that will often increase your premium because those items cost more to repair in the event of damage. The last two go together as well. Location, location, location. Your geographic location will definitely affect your premium, especially if your area has a high crime rate. Homes located in communities that suffer from high crime rates will feel the impact on their premiums. Check out this graph by FreeAdvice.com showing what the monthly rates are for homeowners and renters insurance is by provider. Keep in mind this is just the averages. Allstate comes in at $120 a month for homeowners and $15 for renters, while Erie Insurance appears to be the cheapest option at $95 a month and $10 a month. And if you want to keep your rates possibly even lower, here are some tips. You should pay your bills on time, pay your credit card balance in full each month, stay below your credit card limits, check credit services often and fix any errors, and avoid opening up any new lines of credit. Take a look at this video explaining why improving your credit score can lower your insurance rates. Let's explore why having homeowners and renters insurance is an essential tool for peace of mind, long-term security, and financial stability. First and foremost, homeowners insurance provides protection for your property. In the event of natural disasters, fire, vandalism, or theft, your homeowners insurance can help you repair or rebuild your home. Consider the devastation caused by a fire or a major storm. Without insurance, you could face the monumental cost of repairing or replacing your home out of pocket. However, it's important to understand your specific policy's coverage limits. Some policies have exclusions, such as flooding or earthquakes, which may require additional coverage. Being underinsured can leave you vulnerable to a significant financial burden. If you have any questions about insurance coverage or want to contact a home insurance agent, use our quote tool at FreeAdvice.com to get customized quotes from agents in your zip code. Another critical reason to have homeowners or renters insurance is that it helps protect your personal belongings. It's easy to overlook just how much we can accumulate in terms of personal property. From furniture and electronics to clothing, jewelry, and personal heirlooms, our possessions hold both financial and emotional value. Without insurance, replacing those items could be nearly impossible, especially if they are valuable or irreplaceable. Insurance typically includes coverage for personal property, meaning that if your possessions are damaged or stolen, the insurer can help cover the cost of replacement or repair. Again, it's essential to check your policy to ensure that it adequately covers your belongings. Many standard policies offer a fixed amount for personal property coverage, but you may need to purchase additional coverage for high-value items like artwork, jewelry, or antiques. Insurance isn't just about protecting your house and your things. It's also about protecting your financial well-being. One of the most important components of homeownership and renters insurance is liability coverage. which can protect you in case someone is injured while in your home. This is particularly important if you frequently have visitors, have children, or even own pets that might pose a potential risk to others. You never know when an accident might happen, and having liability coverage ensures that you're financially protected. If you need to get in touch with a local insurance law firm regarding an accident that occurred in your home, use our free legal search tool at FreeAdvice.com to get in touch with one quickly and hassle-free. For those who have a mortgage on their home, homeowners insurance is often not just a recommendation, it's a requirement. Most mortgage lenders require borrowers to have homeowners insurance as a condition of the loan. This ensures that their investment is protected in the event of a disaster. If your home is destroyed or severely damaged, the lender needs to know that there is insurance coverage in place to repair or rebuild it. Without insurance, you could be left unable to meet the terms of your loan, which could lead to foreclosure. You should still have homeowners insurance if your house is paid off. Homeowners insurance continues to cover damage to the structure of your home, no matter if the bank or you own the house. Homeowners insurance also provides liability coverage in case someone is injured while on your property. Renters and homeowners insurance isn't just about protecting you in the present moment, it's also a form of long-term financial protection. As you continue to build equity in your home and accumulate more possessions, your insurance needs may evolve. It's important to review and update your policy regularly to make sure that your coverage aligns with your current situation. You can do that by heading over to FreeAdvice.com to use our free quote tool and get matched with agents in your area. Find the right fit for you quickly and hassle-free. Wrapping up, here are some helpful insurance tips if you are a renter. 1. Assess your coverage needs. 2nd, inventory your personal belongings with the value attached. 3rd, understand your policy limits and exclusions. 4th, choose the right deductible that fits into your financial goals. 5th, compare policies and quotes once a year to pay the average rental insurance cost or better. Next, evaluate optional coverage if you need more protections for your goods. And finally, communicate with your landlord. As a renter, are you curious what your landlord is responsible for when it comes to damaged pipes? Check out this video. If you encounter issues with your renter's insurance and need to submit a claim, consulting a lawyer who specializes in renter's insurance may be necessary. In short, homeowners insurance is different from renter's insurance in that homeowners insurance provides coverage for the structure of the building, while renter's insurance focuses on protecting your personal property. It's a vital part of safeguarding your home, belongings, and financial future. Whether you're protecting your property from theft, damage, or liability risks, having the right coverage ensures that you won't face devastating financial hardship in the event of an unexpected disaster. By investing in homeowners insurance, you're not only securing your home, but also gaining peace of mind, knowing that you have a safety net that will support you when life throws its curveballs. So, take the time to review your policy, assess your needs, and make sure you're fully protected. And if you're ready to shop around for an updated policy, head to FreeAdvice.com, select the home insurance option or renter option, enter your zip code, answer a few quick questions, and within minutes, you'll be matched with local agents ready to answer any questions you might have. Questions, comments, your engagement with our videos keep fresh content coming your way. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.